Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today's video, we are going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, Solana, and SHIB. And guys, in the future, for some of you guys that have been asking me to chart other charts, I am going to start doing that soon. I'm waiting to get to 1,000 subs, and then I'm going to go live, and then I'm going to start taking your charting requests live. It's just hard to do things on YouTube because it's hard to fit a lot of these things in. And especially, I'm trying to make my videos under 20 minutes. So, I'm trying to get more subscribers, guys. So make sure you guys sub. Make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all. Make sure you guys show me love, hit the thumbs up. And yeah, we're going to go live here soon. And then once I go live, you guys, I'll start doing whatever charts you guys ask me to do or look at. But it's very hard right now to do this. Right now, I'm just trying to do the top charts that are on Google search and stuff like that. Which actually, it's funny because Shib is I believe number one now, and Solano's number two. It was Solano number one, but now it's Shib, and then Bitcoin and then Ethereum, of course, come behind it, and then Cardano. Cardano was up there for a little bit. It started falling behind, and then Matic. Matic's a sleeper, guys. Don't sleep on Matic because Matic's one day is gonna wake up and you're gonna be like, oh my god, it's gonna be at like $2, $3, $4, $5, and it is a sleeper, guys. I know you probably heard that from other people, but I love Matic. If you guys watch my first couple videos, we were buying this thing in the pennies, and and I told you back then that I loved it. Okay, that's the reason why I chart all these because these are like the main cryptos right now that are hot, in my opinion. I mean, not hot. There's of course there's Avalanche and other ones that we can that are super hot right now. But Matic goes hand in hand with Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum are the top three. Solana's the most talked about. That's in the top 10, and Shiba is the most talked about. So right now, I'm doing what people want to see, and these are things that I invest in as well. I like to trade Matic. I'm invested in Shib. I'm going long on Shib because why not? I mean, I don't have that much money in it. And you could get lucky, right? Uh, Solana, I love Solano. I am invested in Solano. Well, last night I bought it off of my YouTube video that we made. Um, well, I actually added more. I had like 25% that I wanted in when we caught the bottom, and then I added more after the breakout. Okay, well, I went in a little bit heavier. But we'll go over that. But right now we're looking at Bitcoin, guys, and Bitcoin. We came out of our move, did our bounce, came out. Beautiful move to the upside. Got everything that we looked for in yesterday's video and more. Nice 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 trade here. Beautiful move. So this move I gauged more on, okay, what altcoins do I think are going to explode, right? So what I did was I looked at this move, and then I looked how beat down Solana was, and that's when I looked at this move, our big move that we've been talking about, right? We've been talking about this huge move, this breakout here. I drew this line so we wouldn't fall under this trend. We never did, and we ended up just breaking out. Okay, beautiful move, guys. Right here, boom, 12%. And if you guys remember, I called this move right here to the dollar. Well, yeah, I did actually. It was $1.34, $1.35. So yes, I did. I called this to the dollar off this bounce. Now, if you would have took that, that's 20. You're up 23% on that, guys. I took it. I listen. I'll take my own moves. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I took this move, okay, based on my own analysis. That's what I do when I do my own analysis, guys. I'm taking this move. All right, which that's when I started my position again on Solano, and then I raised the bar a little bit as it went on. Let's see, Bitcoin's looking good. Let's see what we got here. This is on the hour chart. Got to double click now. This is, I'm not used to this update. All right, so we got this, we got this. So let's see what kind of, let's see. Actually, I can draw that up a little bit better, can't I? That's more of a channel than a wedge. I kind of forced that wedge there a little bit, I think. Let's go right here. I don't have the lock on. I don't know. The lock is just not staying locked. All right, so let's see what happens within this channel. Right now, it looks like it's breaking to the upside. Guys, I am looking for this target around the 4,900 area, anywhere from 49,300 to 49,700 or 800 area. So I still think we're going to go up there. So I'm still confident in that. I've been talking about that even when we hit this dip that we called to the dollar actually as well. Well, actually, we were 20 bucks off for this one. So that's pretty good for Bitcoin, guys, because the spread is crazy. So we did good on that. We caught this dip. That would have been, if you would have caught this bottom where I said it was going to 47 or 46,700, which I said that we bounce off of there. That's almost 5%, 4.5%. So it's not bad. So let's go to Ethereum next, guys. Ethereum, look at this. We drew this little wedge right here, okay? We broke out of the wedge. Then we broke out of the bigger wedge, and now we're retesting it to maybe break out of this bigger trend, guys. We come up here. So far, this is playing out, I mean, textbook, perfect, guys. We broke out of this wedge. We came back down, retested, okay? Now let's see if we can break out above here, come back, retest this, and go. And if we do this, guys, we're getting back into this. We're going to at least test this 3,700 area. And if we get past that, then yes, I believe 38's on deck to 3,900. Excuse me. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Let's see if that plays out. But if you guys took this trade right off of this wedge here, the video I made last night, paper trading only, guys. You guys, that's another 4.5% right there. Awesome, awesome trade. Now let's see if we can rebound, get a bounce off of that. And some of you guys could have sold a little bit here and then held half, and then wait for this bounce. It's a smart thing to do. Move your stop loss up to your buy-in price. That's money management. That's what I like to do. But yeah, I'm looking for more upside here. I'm looking for more upside on Bitcoin. Cardano, guys, it's doing exactly what I said as well. We're holding up at the 231 mark. We got the bounce there. We did get rejected right at my 244. So that actually happened as well. So everything that we're talked about, we're predicting so far to the dollar. So nothing should be surprising any of you guys if you drew up these lines. Okay, we're still in my range. I would like to get a 4-hour candle closing above 240, and then maybe eventually getting this pop over that 245 and coming out of this downtrend from the top. Once we do that, guys, you're going to see a nice move to the upside on Cardano. If we fall down, then yeah, I would look for more downside. My first target would be 25 or $2.25, and then 187 would be my next target if we did fall break through here. But guys, we break to the upside. This could be a very, very nice move. So keep an eye on that. Set your alarms. I'm actually going to bring my alarm down some, because if it does break to the upside, it might be more down here. Or if it does hit here, I'll know what I'm looking at. All right. So that's Cardano. Let's see. Matic is holding our line, guys. Okay, so Matic did exactly what we talked about in yesterday's video too. We had this trend line. This is on the hour chart, okay? We broke out of this trend. You took this trade. That's a 2-to-1 trade. Doesn't sound like much, but you got to remember, we broke the trend a little bit earlier than I wanted, and when that happens, this is the target would always be the top of this trend, which it hit the top of that trend. Okay, I'm going to erase that because there's already too much clutter on this chart. I got to clean it up again. But now we are getting a bounce off of, here, let me go to the daily. We are getting a bounce, okay, perfectly. Let's see, 135 I had. And yes, we're at 135, $1.35. So we are getting the bounce off the $1.35. So that is a good sign for me. I think this could be some more upside. So yeah, so keep an eye on that. What we could do is draw this pattern out on the 1 hour chart, guys. Guys, we are killing it, aren't we? Let's see, a dollar. I don't know anybody that's doing what we're doing here. Let's see here. All right, so we got this little channel. Let's see if we can break up out of this channel and get back up into this box here around the $1.41 to $1.43 area. Um, Actually, you know what? We're going to move that up to about right there. So $1.44. So let's see if that happens, guys. Anywhere in this zone, we could look for a rejection. If we do get continuation, then yes, that would be my next target. And then we could definitely go up from there. But yeah, guys, awesome, awesome, awesome so far. So Matic, if we break down, yeah, then maybe we could see a $1.30. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think $1.35 will hold up. So let's see if I'm right about that. You never know. But guys, I have been 90% right on my channel so far. So I like those odds. All right. So let's go to Solana. Solana, guys, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. This is on 15. Let's take it to the hour chart. Guys, look how beautiful this was. We talked about this in yesterday's video, this downtrend. Okay, we did talk about this bounce. I just talked about it a couple minutes ago in the beginning of the video. We got this move. Now I'm looking for this 161 to hold up, which it looks like it is, and we are getting a bounce off of there. So let's see if we can go higher and get up into my 175, 180 box, and then maybe expect a little pullback from there. But then I do believe that we are going to get back to this 197 area eventually here. Sooner than later, probably by next week. But I would look for a short term rejection around this 175, 180 area. And if it does blow through it, then yeah, I would look for maybe a rejection at 197. Okay, because I think later in the week we'll get up to 200, but we got to wait for the daily needs to turn around. The daily's getting there, but it was so hot, guys, it needed to cool down. The 4 hour and hour was just looking like it's getting ready to explode. But I think eventually, I don't think we're coming back down here. We're going to keep slowly grinding this thing up. Even if we do get a rejection, it might come down to the 165 area and then pop. So it won't be that much of a pullback if we do get rejected at 170, 180. So keep that in mind, guys, on Solano. Looking beautiful. 161, 159, we want to see that hold. If not, then yeah, we could go down to 153 or 149, okay? So keep that in mind for the downside. SHIB, guys, we broke down a little bit in SHIB. We did break down into this trend. We haven't got a daily candle close in this trend yet. So I would like to see us get a nice pop. We would need to see a pop. I mean, all we need to go up is 6%, which is not bad. If we go up another 6%, then yeah, we're back in this thing. I think this was a great buy opportunity. If you guys look, I had my bounce areas at 0788 and 0798, which we were pretty close on that. But we did get the bounce, okay? And we did get the bounce at this area. So that's showing me that, hey, it's possible that we do get this bounce and we do go back to the upside. And this could be a good buy opportunity. But let's keep an eye on it. We don't want to see a daily candle close. If we do, we want to see it open and get back above this trend and then reclose above this trend. If it pops back up and then comes back down, and by the end of the day and closes again underneath here, then yeah, we probably could be looking for a little bit more downside, maybe to looks like the 753 area. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. So let's see here. Is that right? Let's see. What do I got? 7. Oh, wait. Double click. All right. So 753 area seems about right. So maybe that'll hold. And that's what I would look for SHIB to the upside, guys. We just got to break our previous high. Basically, we want to break our previous high and go higher and get past that 10 cent. We get past that 10 cent, that thing's gonna start looking good on the eyeballs, and you can see the money start flowing in. The reason I think this will hold up or not drop all the way down to the bottom of this, unless Bitcoin gets a massive crash, is because I think it was like $875 million came in on this candle, guys. Okay. I mean, there was whales buying $1.4 million at a time on this candle, guys. People sleeping on SHIB. Let me tell you something. And then Elon Musk just bought that SHIB dog. It's a puppy. How, you don't think he's going to be posting pictures as that thing grows? Guys, let me tell you something. This is remind me of Doge all over again. Okay, so don't get caught. People say, "Oh, like I heard some people, oh, I wouldn't buy that. I wouldn't buy that." Listen, guys, you buy it, and I get it, and you want to take a little profit at the top here or wherever. Guys, this is something that you hold long term and you don't care about. Okay, and whatever money you put in it, you can't be scared to lose it, and that's just the bottom line. All right, but if it works out for you, you will make tons of money. The only people that aren't going to make money are they're going to be the people trying to trade this. Okay, this is not something I want to trade. All right, because it just doesn't make sense. And you're not putting in, unless you're putting in like, a ton of money in. But guys, if you're down a couple $100, if you put in $1,000 or whatever, like really, like what is that? A week's worth of groceries? I mean, taking the family out to the movies. So with your chance to make millions of dollars in the future. So guys, don't get shaken out of this. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. You guys do what you want to do. But $500, $400, $300, $100 can make you guys a lot of money in the future on this. And I don't want any of you guys missing out on this boat run. Okay. How much time do we have? Yeah. I don't want you guys, I don't want to be sailing by on the yacht while you guys are on the beach. Do you understand? I want you guys to be on the yachts with me. All right. I want to get in touch with some of you guys and go to the Bahamas on our big boats. All right. So that's what I'm trying to do for you guys. All right. Listen, much love. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. We crushed it once again, guys. I mean, I don't know what else I could do for you guys. I'm so happy if you guys take these trades, but I literally walk you through every move. I'm doing everything I can. And all I'm asking for you guys is to sub to my channel and share it. Share my videos. Share the wealth. Share it to your family. Let your family know. Okay? Let your family know, like, hey, this guy's for real. All right? Look at the bounce. Look at this. I didn't even have to look. And I told you we're already getting the bounce. Look at this bounce of Solana already. Okay? I mean, incredible, guys. Incredible. So, listen, share my videos, tell your friends, get the word, get my channel out there, help me out. I'm doing this because I want to help as many people as I can, because I believe if I do that, good things will happen to me and my family. This is why I'm making this channel. No other reason, guys. But that's why I want as many people as I can. I want to get this channel out to as many people as I can and share it to as many people as I can, so I can make sure that I feel like I'm getting it out there and I'm doing my job. Okay. So because I could sit here and just be greedy and trade all this by myself and not do any of this on YouTube. But that's not who I am. That's not what I believe in, guys. I started this channel on the downtrend when everybody was panicking, just to let people know that, hey, this is the XYZ is going to happen. Guys, don't panic. And XYZ happened exactly as I predicted. Even back then, I was calling the move 2 months before when I first started my channel. Literally a couple weeks in, guys, I started calling the move that happened. This big run. Okay, this big Bitcoin run. I was calling a bump and run. Okay, I was calling this way back here, guy. Actually, I was calling it back here that this move would happen around this area, guys. Back here. And I said August, June, July, August, it's going to take off. And exactly. And I had this bump and run pattern that right here, it broke right here. And boom, we never looked back. Okay. And I told you once this happened that I think we're going to go to all-time highs. So let's see if that still happens. Let's see if that plays out. But much love to you guys. I'm going to put the link to Webull so you get free shares, so you can get some free SHIB. So guys, make sure you guys sign up for that. And if you share it, you also get an Apple share if you share it to 3 people, which is worth $150. Love you guys. Peace out. I'll do a video later tonight at 8.